Hi everyone, welcome back guys to House of Wear by Noor Bhatia. Another day, another update. So I have uploaded a lot of pictures of the perfumes, a lot of originals, no copies. These are all Dubai duty free. So a lot of options are there for you in studio, and with a lot of love you guys have given us a lot of online orders, and today you guys have visited the studio and gave a lot of love to the perfumes also. ये सारे perfumes original होंगे, दुबई ड्यूटी फ्री, कॉपी कोई नहीं होगा, 100% original and authentic. मैं I'll just show you the options. लेडीज के लिए भी बहुत ऑप्शंस आए हैं, सो इफ यू वांट टू गिफ्ट इट टू योर बेटर हाफ, गर्लफ्रेंड और योर वाइफ, सो you guys can DM us with the screenshot of the article. I'll start with it. I won't name the brand. One is this, all are authentic. कोई हमारे यहाँ if there are some copies also, we say it to you. वो अलग section है for the चाइना वंस, वो टर्की वाले, वो हम आपको अलग सेक्शन है, वो हम नहीं अपलोड कर रहे. जिनको बहुत सस्ते चाहिए होते हैं वो ले सकते हैं वो भी, बट ये सारे ऑथेंटिक है. दीज आर ऑल द ओरिजिनल वंस. क्विकली आई विल शो यू अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. सब में ऑप्शंस हैं, सो यू गाइस कैन डीएम अस विद द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ द आर्टिकल. सारे ऑथेंटिक आएंगे एंड वेरी नॉमिनल प्राइजेस. कई लोग कॉपी को भी ओरिजिनल बोल के देते हैं. वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट. दीज आर ऑल ड्यूटी, दुबई ड्यूटी फ्री. Some brands have been sold out. I cannot name it. So these are the option. कुछ mostly EDP ही मिलेंगे या pure perfume, and some would be okay. So ये particular model, this is a milk based non alcohol. Those who know very well know कि ये आता ही इसमें EDT EDP, और ये वाला जो particular model था without alcohol है. सारे दुबई ड्यूटी फ्री से आए हैं. A lot of options are there. Best for your gifting purpose, or you can use it yourself also. A lot of options. I had to make a very quick update today, though we were running out of time, but so I made the setup here. थोड़ा different setup है. I'm showing you all the options. A lot of options would be there. N number of perfumes would be there. Mostly are the most reviewed. It's a 8 years experience of mine. जो I very well know the fragrance. If you need dark fragrance, light fragrance, aquatic one, you can just DM us. I'll help you out with the notes of it, and जो best होगा we'll deliver it to you. This is Oud Silk. Mostly the most reviewed, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा जिनको रिव्यू अच्छे मिले वो ही लाए हैं हम. एंड जस्ट नॉट लास्टिंग बहुत अच्छी होगी, कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा लास्टिंग ना हो. दिस पर्टिकुलर परफ्यूम, दिस ब्रांड, 6 months एज करा जाता है, जस्ट लाइक फाइन वाइन और विस्की. सो दीज आर दोज 6 months. You can read it on the net also. One is this and the other one is only this brand, particular brand. Ladies के भी बहुत सारे हैं. These are the ladies, for the ladies especially. Most reviewed ones. ये सारे के सारे ओरिजिनल आएंगे एंड मोस्टली सब 20-30 की रेंज में आएंगे ऑन द स्टोर, नॉट हेयर. So these are the quick updates. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. You guys can DM us with the screenshot of the article you like. Best for your gifting purpose, best for your self use. All duty free originals. अगर कोई हमारे को आपको सस्ती रेंज में चाहिए, we have the Turkey and the China ones also, but these are the Dubai duty free. So it would be all original and authenticate. And you guys can DM us with the screenshot. You can visit the studio Monday to Sunday. Only Tuesdays are off. It's in DLF phase 1. You guys, most of the guys you very well know. You guys have already given so much of love. And सुबह से कुछ perfumes गए भी हैं. So a lot of options are there. You guys can DM us with the screenshot. You can visit the studio or you can buy it online. Thank you so much. This was the quick update for the perfumes. बहुत सारे जा भी चुके हैं. A lot of brands. I'm not naming the brands, but lot of brands have gone. Mostly 100 mls and EDP and essence of perfume, like EDP, pure perfume, essence of parfum. So a lot of options are there. So you guys can DM us for the with the screenshot of the article you like, with the perfume, particular perfume you like, or we can help you out with the taste of yours if you need the aquatic or the dark fragrance. जैसा भी आपको पसंद होगा हम आपको हेल्प करेंगे. Thank you so much guys.